Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate cream. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and half a cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that perfect flavor. Having everything ready at room temperature ensures a smooth and easy process. This method is truly straightforward and yields delicious results every time. Now, let's combine these wonderful ingredients. In a medium saucepan, whisk together your cocoa powder and granulated sugar until they are well blended. Next, slowly pour in the heavy cream while continuously whisking. This step is crucial for preventing any lumps and achieving a silky smooth mixture. Finally, stir in the vanilla extract until everything is perfectly combined. You're already halfway to a delightful chocolate cream. It's time to gently cook our chocolate cream. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat, stirring constantly for about 5 minutes. The goal is to warm the mixture through and dissolve the sugar, not to boil it. Watch for small bubbles to just begin forming around the edges, then immediately remove it from the heat. Transfer the cream to a clean bowl, cover it with plastic wrap touching the surface, and chill for at least 2 hours. After chilling, your chocolate cream is ready for its final transformation. Using an electric mixer, whip the cold cream on medium-high speed until soft, luscious peaks form. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Now, your homemade chocolate cream is perfect for topping cakes, filling pastries, or simply enjoying by the spoonful. It's incredibly versatile. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.